Yo, MJ no putamba gopidia. Yo, tinha vai pegar.
Eba, let's get to some things. Why is me and Umbali? Babu me kuluma. Babu kuluma is Asumbali wena. Umba usisambali lona. Ithinda kambali ntwana. Ithinda kambali. Exactly. Go. Where's Bali by the way? I don't know Bali where is boy. Don't call me boy. Okay. I told you on the phone. Okay, yeah. I am so sorry. Okay. I'll call you. Let me tell you about nothing now. Okay. Let me tell you. Forget it. In Europe. It has kind of nice, like girl. Okay. Don't say listen, okay. I will teach you this is Zulu, ne? Oh no, I don't know. Cause this woman, it's called Gegza. What's Gegza? Gegza. Don't tell me woman. Gegza. There is a woman. Who's Gegza? She's a woman. She's a girl. Woman is a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl that is old. Yes. What I missed you a lot. We are not friends anymore, right? Who are you? It's me, Mia. Have you forgotten me? That is twin. I don't know you. Who are you? Oh my god. I don't remember you, Baba. You do remember me? I used to speak Zulu. And the Angwazi, Baba. I need to call MJ for now. Umani. MJ. Oh, MJ. No, God. Come on. Who's MJ? Is he Mbali's brother, little brother? Oh my God! Mbali's my twin sister. You are crazy. Crazy. Are you Mbazo? Are you Mbazo? Kamala Mumbazo. Yes. Hey, Kamala Mumbazo. Come here. Can you explain him? Kamala Mumbazo. What is his name? Kamala Mumbazo. What is his name? Mbazo. Mbazo me. Kamala Mumbazo. Kamala. Okay, let us hear it. Yeah. You know me. Ushalapi. What does Ushalapi? What does Ushalapi? Dude, you know me? Yes. Do you know me? Who I am? Who I am? Oh my God. Who I am? What's my name?
She's Mbali.
No, I'm Bali. I'm not Bali. I'm Mia. I'm Bali's twin. I used to live in Europe, but now I'm here to stay here. Okay. Who are you talking to? MJ, come here. Do you know Mbazo? Do you still remember me when I was still talking to you when I was here? Yes. Mbazo has forgotten me. My best friend. Okay. I will teach you.
Tom.
Yes.
Who MJ? Yes.
Okay. So what do you want me to do?
Who MJ? Who's
the sister? I can understand you. I'm MJ's sister and Bali. Which other sister? Okay. Oh wait, I need to ask you something. Has MJ has a girlfriend? Yeah. What is her name? Split it out for me. Split it out. Who's her girlfriend? I mean, who's his girlfriend? Where is this girl? I need to say her. Mbali told me that MJ's girlfriend is Zinke. I need to see Zinke.
Yes.
Oh, I think. Wait.
Shakes.
Oh, what's? Oh, I remember now who's Shakes. Oh.
Yes.
By the way, who's?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you are asking me. Okay, yes. I need to ask Mbali.
Mbali? Where is sister?
I don't know. I think she went to Europe.
Okay.
To see my father.
Where is Makwekwe?
Oh, who's Makwekwe? Who's Makwekwe?
Makwekwe.
Who's Makwekwe?
No, Tommy is Mangwengwe. Look,
Mangwengwe. Mangwengwe. Who's Mangwengwe?
MJ.
MJ, who's Mangwengwe? I don't know.
Mangwengwe.
Who's Dinte? How do I tell you? Wait,
What are you, sister?
some of the people told me that you think that's all.
Duh.
It's my.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
okay.
Tommy, don't love me, my dad.
Please, girl, just subscribe. Winner show. Subscribe, everybody. Subscribe. We're gonna subscribe. Subscribe for all. Subscribe all. Oh, guys, let me tell you. Who's DK? Read it out, please. Here's my ex. Ex. What are you telling me? You're gay. I saw you. You're gay. Maybe. Oh, really? No. Someone look at us, boy. Okay.
Tommy.
Who's your girlfriend?
Tommy.
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 Let me tell you.
Tommy.
There's a guy when I came. I
Miwa.
saw him. He's like, he has this
Miwa.
guy like
Miwa.
no, there's this
Miwa.
guy, I don't know. It's like he lives over there. Like,
Miwa. From Basel.
no, not
It's
Basel.
Basel.
No, not Basel.
Basel.
Basel. I don't know. His name starts with S. Okay, it's Shane. That's on him, dude.
Okay, dude.
And
Tom.
TJ. He lives where? In Pyramid.
Tom. Tom. She's your girlfriend.
It's Bali's.
Okay. My sister.
Who's your sister?
My sister.
Who's your sister?
Is who? My sister is who? Usiswami uyendi. Mapapen.
Uma azi usisi wakho lo.
Tom. Aksuma Tom.
Lethabi manje.
Oh,
guys, I need to speak English.
Talk is
Guys, you need to
talk is the Zulu. It is understanding.
Shut up, face.
Okay.
We're gonna text it out. I'm so tired. I need to stay. Yeah? I'm so tired. I need
Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody.
You know English.
Yeah, I know English.
Okay, do you know Afrikaans?
What the hell?
Afrikaans, there's languages. Do you know Spanish?
Yes, I know Spanish.
What is Spanish?
My girl is
What is reading Spanish?
Well, in Spanish, yeah? In Spanish.
Yeah?
Amadi love.
Stop lying. It's Rafa. Spanish reading. Rafa means rain.
Okay.
I don't speak Spanish.